पता कैसे करना है कि आपको नजर लगी है कि नहीं। तो एक रात पहले अपनी पत्नी के नीचे से बोला और सो जाओ। आगे दूसरे मौके से बोला कि मम्मा
Good evening.
Good evening, Karna. Why you haven't joined? Tell me the reason.
I could not see that class is there.
2 o'clock class is there every Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Mom, I know that, but I came and it was not there, and then I pressed refresh. Now it came.
3:58 I have joined the class. See this is the integer part.
Mom, can we do? Yes. Mom, can we do this?
Beta, you solve that book on your own. Where there is a doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, how can I check your book every time like this on the screen and then I can watch? If it is online on the screen, I can explain. You can share do the questions from my book.
Mom, but these are more advanced and your book is different.
So it's okay. That is not a general question. That is not that the questions are coming from your book only. Different publishers give different questions. Beta, you show me like this. I'm not able to read it properly, and it takes time also. That's why we are not able to complete even 2 or 3 questions in one class. So if it is like on the screen, you send the pics to Manisha ma'am, at least 10 pages, 4 5 worksheets. I will upload it here and I'll let on. Or you upload it from your end and then I will solve. The question is from integer. That's something which is below the level of the C or like decreasing, it is a negative integer. And something which is coming up or increase, that is a positive integer. Here in the question, it says the driver was diving 100 meter below the sea level. Sea level is like this point, or you can say that if you are making the horizontal one, we'll be saying sea level at here. This is the surface, and below this is a sea level. Sea, and here it is a surface. This is a surface, and this is the air. Okay, a driver was diving 100 meters below the sea level. That means from here it is 100 meters down. That is minus 100. He went down 20 meters. Again, he went down more 20 meters. So minus 20 again. So, and he came up above 35 meters. So when he is coming above 35 meters, so he is reaching has he reached to the surface? Has he reached to the surface?
Hmm?
Has he reached to the surface?
No.
No, he hasn't reached to the surface because he is going upside. He is going upside by plus 35. So wherever he reaches, you have to calculate. That means here we have initial position is minus 100. So now again after diving 20 meter more, he reaches to 120 meters. Then he goes up to 35 meters. So what is that? 100 minus 100 meters minus 20 meters is 120 meters. And again he goes up. That means that is the addition. So it is going up means plus. So it is 120 plus 35. So one case is negative, one case is positive. So obviously you have to subtract 120 minus 35. So you have to check that. 85 is there, but your negative number is on the bigger side. That means you have to give the answer on minus 85. Like this, you have to do the second part. Do the second part.
Yes.
Do this part, read the question.
Ma'am, understood I am doing. Ma'am, 85 meter below sea level.
See that here you have to draw sea level. Suppose I'm drawing the sea level like this. Okay. A person dives 80 meter below. So diving is at 80 meter below. The person is diving, that is 80 meter. Okay. And he came up 30 meters above. Okay, this is 30 meters difference. And went down.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you loudly. Can you speak a little louder?
Here in the question, you can see that the person who dives inside the surface, and this is the sea level, and this is the air part. So when he dives, he goes down 80 meters. That means below the sea level, that is minus 80. And again, he is coming up to 30 meters. So he is coming up at this level. So if you mark it as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, he is diving here. So marking as 30 meter above, up we will go 10, 20, 30 till here. He reaches till this surface. Okay. Again, he came down to 25 meters. So this is 10, 20, and 25. So what is the level you have to calculate? So what is the initial level? You have to write initial level is 80 meters. Initial level 80 meters. And he came up. What is the distance covered? Distance covered 30 meter up like this. And then distance covered
Yes.
25 meter down again. 25 meter down. So 30 meter up, 25 meter down, there is a difference of only 5 meters. There is a difference of only 5 meters. So what is the actual depth he is diving? What is the actual depth he is diving?
Yes.
How will you
185.
80 minus 30 plus 25? Here 80 is minus 80 plus 30, then minus 25. How will you solve this and this first? Minus 105 plus 30. One it is minus, one it is plus. It is said to be minus 165 meters. Minus 165 meters he is swimming. Got my answer?
Yes.
Here you have to solve, subtract minus 17 and 26.
Can you wait a minute?
What happened? Done. How will you solve this? Subtract 26, 17 from 26. 26 minus and then again minus. This becomes 26 plus. Minus will be converted into plus. If both the negative or both the positive signs are there, the answer will be positive. Rita, you are taking too much time here. Why? Why you are taking too much time? Karna, I have to check your screen. So this is positive. 26 minus becomes positive, that is 17. This is 43. In this case, see that you have given that question for reduction and we are coming at last, it will be addition. Here the temperature questions are very important. The temperature at 8 AM and minus 6 was minus 6 degrees Celsius and it has risen 19 degrees. Find the new temperature. Which question you are doing? Karna, unmute yourself and speak. I don't know what you are doing. Water, please. Water. Where are you confused? I don't know what are you doing. Not responding. You do not want to study right now? How many questions you have done, Karna? No response in last 5-7 minutes. Don't know what you're doing. Karna, are you freezed? I don't know what you are doing in last 10 minutes. What are you doing? Which question you are? You are unmute and I am asking a question how many times and where are you? Which question you are doing? You are not responding at all.
Ma'am, I could hear you and my mic was not working. Ma'am, should I do seventh one?
What?
Should I do seventh one?
Seventh one. Yes. Have you done till sixth?
Ma'am? No,
Have you done till sixth?
no, ma'am.
What you were doing after second question?
Ma'am, just question. Ma'am, what is the time? Ma'am? 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 Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am? 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 Ma'am?